Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss the difference between the API plants and the formulation plants in pharma industry. You all have so much kind of doubts in this small tiny head. So what is this API plant and what is this formulation plant? Let us start with the API plant. So what is this API plant? By the word API you must have known that while studying B pharmacy, API means active pharmaceutical ingredient. So what is this active pharmaceutical ingredient? Why the companies only are the API plants or the produce only API? Won't they produce any other kind of things? So we will know. Let us go. So guys, in API plants they are also called as bulk industries because they are going to only produce the active drug or the intermediates which are required for producing that active drug. So these companies, the regulations are a little bit low when compared to the formulation departments, formulation plants. Because why I am saying this, why the bulk industry is not highly regulated is because the cleaning practices are very little bit low, because they will be having a ranges for the purity of the active ingredients. If they follow that ranges, it is an acceptable product. So by this time you must have know that API plants produce the active pharmaceutical ingredient. This active pharmaceutical ingredient is the main thing which is incorporated and used by the formulation plants in order to produce the final end product, which may be tablet or capsule. So we are having this much tablet or this 500 mg, this much tablet and the small active ingredient within it, because the active drug is highly toxic if we take the doses higher than that, and the doses which we need to take is very small. So we cannot take that such a small dose of active ingredient by mouth orally comfortably. So in order to take the drug comfortably and also in order to provide the drug a better kinetics and dynamics within the body, they are formulating the drug into a proper form, which may be either be a tablet or capsule or lotion or creams, jellies, etc. So this is about API. So who will work in these API plants? Like formulation department, in API also there are several departments like quality control, quality assurance, production department, regulatory affairs department and documentation department. So everything will be there. Let us discuss about the next topic, which is formulation. So guys, I love formulation plants very much because in pharma industry, formulation is the best thing we have studied through our industrial pharmacy subject or the dispensing pharmacy subjects. So we are the formulators. Those who are studying, most of the B.Pharm or M.Pharm candidates wish to become a formulator and not the API producer, because we love the subject. The subject is such a heart touching that it is very hard but good to understand subject. So making a tablet or producing a lipstick on your own or producing a capsule on your own will give you some kind of satisfaction that I am producing these kind of products for the health of people. And also guys, the formulation plants are very very clean. They are cleaner than our kitchens, because in formulation the product is very such a quality that we cannot find even a single dust particle in the formulation industry, because everything is regulated and we cannot enter like the way we are into the formulation plant or the production plant. We need to have a proper coverage or the proper safety and the proper dressing such that no harmful or the foreign particles will enter from our side into the formulation plant, and also from the external environment. The clean environment is maintained in such a way, and also the equipment is very clean and they follow proper cleaning procedures in formulation industry. So the main difference between the formulation industry and API is the reactors. So in active pharmaceutical ingredient preparation, they use a large kind of reactors for producing that active ingredient, because the production of API molecule is a reaction. It is a chemical reaction. For those chemical reaction, the API plants have a large number of reactors, 10, 20, 30 like reactors. They are like if they follow everything properly, it is a safe place, but even a small mistake can damage the entire plant like an atomic bomb, because it leads to a disasters. And the chemical which is leaked into the environment is also very dangerous. So that is the reason. So there is a little bit risk in API industry, but we need that API molecule in order to formulate the final product. So risk is there and also benefits is there, because if we follow everything, the standard operating procedures, all the cleaning procedures effectively, there won't be any kind of risk in API industry. But when coming to the formulation industry, there is no kind of such reactors. But here we are having the granulators, the mixers, and also kneading machines. Everything will be the tablet punching machines and capsule filling machines, and dissolution apparatus, hardness testers, like this kind of. There's so much equipment is there in formulation department, and you are also having the equipment which is available in API also, because everything is needed in formulation industry. So you can learn a lot of things in formulation industries when compared to API. If you are a chemistry lover, API better suits you, but if you are a Sutix lover or the formulator, if you want to be a formulator, then a formulation plant is best suits you, because the work culture is very lovely in a formulation department. Like API, the formulation department is very lovely, but one thing I can say, whatever the work you love, it will give you satisfaction. If you love producing the active pharmaceutical ingredient, or if you love working in API industries, it will give you work satisfaction. If you love chemistry, you can go there, either from B.Pharm level or M.Pharm level after doing medicinal chemistry or M.Pharm analysis. And particularly if you do Sutix, then you need to go for formulation industry definitely, because whatever you learn you can apply there only in the formulation industry, especially if you want to work in the pharma industry. So guys, I hope you love this information, the difference between active pharmaceutical ingredient or the bulk industry, the difference between bulk industry and the formulation industry. So I hope you like this information guys. Definitely subscribe to our channel and also hit that like button, and see you in the next video. This is Naveen, and see you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Capsule Concepts and Insights.